Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison, and here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 double cab. This one is in the super wide exterior with the black cloth. And checking out our window sticker, as far as options go, we do have the deck rail, premium audio with integrated nav, as well as TRD off-road package, SR5 upgrade group, paint protection, as well as the spray and bed liner, and the off-road package adjustment for a total of $41.92. Gas mileage is going to be 13 city and 18 out on the highway. This one does have the 5.7 liter V8. Coming down here to your wheels, we are riding on 18-inch alloy wheels with painted black inserts that do look very nice. We are riding on Michelin tires as well. TRD badging right there. Coming around back, backup camera, as well as your trailer hitch down below. Then just go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. Coming in, you have 7 miles on this one, so foot on the brake, as well as twist to start. So as you can see, starts right up, of course, and then we'll check out underneath the hood. Now coming in underneath our hood, we do have a 5.7 liter dual overhead cam V8. This featured dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing 381 horsepower, as well as 401 foot-pounds of torque. I'll go into the rear wheels in this example in a 6-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming in, that black cloth interior. It is a fully powered driver's seat with your power lumbar right there. TRD off-road badging on your floor mats. Then door panel materials. Nice padded down here in your armrest. Power windows, locks, door storage down below. And then over here to the left of the steering wheel, we have our power mirrors, as well as dome light, bed light, automatic high beams, and our headlamp height right there. Coming to our steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke urethane wrapped wheel, side bolstering grip extensions. We have our audio, voice commands, Bluetooth over here on the right, 4-way D-pad for that center LCD. You do have your dynamic radar cruise, as well as lane keep assist right here, part of your TSSP safety suite. Cruise control mounted on a separate stalk right there. Automatic headlights, as well as automatic high beams, fog lights, and your tap to 3 blinks blinkers. Over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers. Now checking out audio system, this is your premium upgrade unit with HD radio as well as XM. We do have AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Then going to your apps, of course you do have our navigation right here. Going to destination, you can input an address, select from a point of interest, or designate 6 different presets down below right there. Home is a nice split screen view that you can customize by going to your home screen, choosing 2-panel or 3-panel, and then choosing the independent area to customize. Single zone manual climate controls right down here with your fan speed, temperature, and zones. Trailer brake control, tow haul mode, traction control, stuff like that over here to the left of the climate controls. 2 12-volt outlets, as well as your auxiliary and USB audio inputs. There's that 6-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. And then in reverse, you do have your nice rear view camera on your audio screen. 3 cup holders and some storage. Nice padded armrest. As you can see, plenty of room down in here. All your owner's manuals and a 12-volt. Some storage up top. Glove box, damped. You do have modest room in there. Up top, auto-dimming rearview mirror with your garage home link and compass. Mirror and vanity lights on your sliding sun visor, as well as map lights and a little sunglass storage up top. And so that's about it for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Coming back here, with this being your double cab model, you'd have modest rear seat room. Of course, you can always go for a crew max if you want more room. Bottom seat cushion does flip up, and you do have a little bit of storage underneath right here, out of sight of course, and then you can lower this back down, stepping in. Modest room behind my 5'9" driving frame, plenty of knee room down below. You do have cup holders as well as a 12-volt outlet back here. And then up top, as you can see, some quartering handles and coat hooks. There is belts for 3 back here. I'd probably keep it to 2 for comfort. You do have a nice little vent as well. But checking out your dash, as you can see, that navigation system, your LCD and your gauges, all very nice touches. So we'll check out the bed and then we'll wrap up the video. Now coming around back, you do have the 6.5-foot bed on this model. That is one of the perks of getting the double cab model. You have a longer bed. As you can see, deck rails on all three sides, so it makes it easier to tie down larger items. D-rings in all four corners as well. Your tailgate is hydraulically assisted, so it doesn't slam, and it's easy to pick up as well. And that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 double cab, TRD off-road. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All that information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.